presenting the iconic silhouette of the Lamborghini Aventador, now draped in a breathtaking, glossy red finish. Every line, every curve, every shadow, crafted for pure dominance. A design that doesn't just turn heads, it stops hearts. From the front, the Aventador appears like a predator locked on its target. The razor-sharp slitter, the wide, aggressive stance, and that signature Lamborghini attitude. This is what intimidation looks like in automotive form. Move to the back, and the story intensifies. Hexagonal taillights glowing with precision, a massive diffuser sculpted for airflow, and the iconic center exhaust, reminding you this machine breathes fire. Aventador's Y-shaped LED headlights, futuristic, piercing, and eerily alive. Not just lights, but the eyes of a raging bull. At the rear, the hexagon-inspired LED taillights glow like molten lava. Sharp, old, unmistakably Lamborghini. Massive performance tires wrapped around precision-engineered alloy wheels. Every rotation, every grip on the asphalt, built for speed, stability, and absolute control. Zoom in, and the craftsmanship speaks for itself. Metallic rims, intricate detailing, and carbon ceramic brakes, ready to tame this V12 beast. Step inside, and the Aventador becomes more than a car. It becomes a cockpit, a command center for adrenaline. Premium leather, carbon fiber panels, and a design that embraces the driver like a jet fighter. The digital dashboard greets you with razor-sharp visuals, a fusion of Italian artistry and futuristic precision. The steering wheel, part luxury, part weapon, wrapped in leather, carved in carbon fiber, and anchored by the iconic Lamborghini crest. Racing seats stitched with red precision. Comfort meets aggression, perfectly shaped to hold you steady when the V12 roars to life. The center console is inspired by a fighter jet. Toggle switches, red ignition cover, and carbon everywhere. One flip, one push, and the beast awakens. Now the heart of the monster, the naturally aspirated V12, a masterpiece of power and engineering, exposed beneath carbon fiber veins. The center-mounted exhaust, forged to unleash thunder. Every burst of acceleration sends shockwaves of raw emotion from above. The Aventador displays its true geometry, a perfect balance of aerodynamics, aggression, and Lamborghini DNA. At the three-quarter angle, the Aventador shows its most iconic stance, bold, sharp, untamed, on the move. The Aventador becomes a force of nature. Speed, motion, freedom, all blending into one breathtaking moment.